Okay mga higala. Late na, so matulog na si Mami Joy. Waloy ang Ginoo, trabaho na pod ug mas puntag, God willing. Thanks God for today's work. I need to lie down here first. Okay. So, be happy guys, or what you have. Keep going lang. So, good night everyone. Pray muna bago matulog, okay? Good night! Good night!